Quick question, what do patients waiting 3 days for a simple X-ray result
and a medical science student who is desperate for real clinical experience have in common?
right now? Nothing.
That's the catch.
Hi investors, I am Pratyush.
Hi investors, I am Vishal.
And we built Team ThinkForge. Here is the reality check. Hospitals are drowning. There is massive diagnostic bottleneck. Radiologists are burning out, leaving millions of gigabytes of patients' data sitting on server. We call that dead data.
Meanwhile, there are millions of medical science students like my friend who is a paper doctor.
Hey, what are paper doctors?
Paper doctors are certified and have good grade, but they do not have practical exposure.
But why?
Because they don't have access to real life data.
So we asked ourselves, why are these two problems living in real world?
What if the hospital backlog was the student need for practice?
There we enter Team ThinkForge. We are building decentralized neural ecosystem.
Hey, fancy words, right?
No, that's not a fancy word. We actually treat medical students not as learners to be taught, but as a workforce to be utilized, and it is called cognitive arbitrage.
Exactly. Here comes the hospital workflow. They upload the patient's X-ray reports, etc. on our portal.
And our system, powered by Microsoft Cloud, scrubs the data instantly, removing all the personal information like his name and identity from that, and we uses Azure AI Health to strip out all 18 HIPAA identifiers. It is our privacy shield.
Exactly. Once it's safe, it lands on a PG student portal where my friend can go there and read this case study and give his own thoughts and his case study understanding, like no fracture found, soft tissue swollen, etc.
Then the magic happens. The draft goes to a senior doctors at his hospital. They don't have to type it, neither measure it, they just have to check his work.
And guess what? If my friend is right, he'll be clicked verified, and the thing which took days now will be completed in hours.
And he get verified credits for that, right?
Exactly, Pratyush. And this is the game changer for medical science students. We are building a GitHub for medical science students.
Think about it as developers getting hired based on their code commit, why are doctors still hired based on their university brand name?
Exactly. The student who use ThinkForge tells that my CV doesn't say I did a rotation, but his CV says I correctly predicted 1500 X-rays with accuracy as 98%.
It is irrefutable proof of skill. We aren't just building an app, we are building utility.
Where we secure with Microsoft Enter ID to secure hospital and patients.
And scalable enough for the world.
We are asking you to join us. Help us clear the hospital backlogs.
Help us train the next generation.
Let's turn dead data into
life solution.
Exactly.
Hey guys, what are you up to?
Here to explain MVP. This is in both light and dark theme and global language available all here. We'll continue with English for now. This will be the landing page. As lacking of time, I will be skipping landing page a bit. We can select our portal here, any one of four. This will be explaining our portal mission and why to choose MediConnect and doctors onboarded here, and these are the reviews for the doctors and many frequent questions are answered here. Let us go to sign in and login page. First we will go with the patient portal where you have to enter. We have to register for the first time. As it is MVP, we have kept the registration simple, just email ID and password. In future we will be have to entering the OTP also. As it is logging in, we can book one-on-one appointment with each doctors here, and this will be the reports which will be appearing when the authority uploads. You can raise query for missing reports. This will be advanced search where he can search for all reports and opinions. This will be his dashboard where he can export all his reports at once, and this is demo report where the history goes on storing like this. And he will be having alarms for his medication. He can even tick mark or done, etc. And he will be having AI assistance here, and we will log out for this. Then we will log in for authority portal. We have to enter login ID and password again, and then to get login, authority can upload reports of patient by his case ID over here. Then he can announce for internship available. Then this is patient queries for demo query. If any query, it will appear like this. This is a simple dashboard, and this will be his work. We will log out from authority portal here. Then we will log into doctor portal where everyone should sign in and log in with password after registering. After registering, doctor can view the reviews here, and this is the patient rated. We can see a demo review how the review appears when the patient student claims for it. This will be the case ID of the patient. When he enters case ID here, all the reports come at one place, which will be easy for him. This will be his profile where he gains credit for each and every review of patient. Number of students he has guided, number of days he has completed. This will be his license over here, and this will be his simple dashboard over here. This will be his profile details, etc. We log out from here, then log in into the last portal, which is PG student portal. We have to log in here. Then once a PG student is logged in, he will be seeing his case process where all cases appear at the first. Then he can trim the cases by easy, medium and hard. Then he can see his experience, how many cases has he reviewed, etc. In internship, he can see any internship if announced. He can get contact with doctor sending him a message of query. This will be a simple dashboard where he can go here and export his reports and etc. This will be his ratings from 1 to 10. This is the main idea of the app.